Morning, guys. So welcome to week 7 of lockdown. Um, First of all, thank you for the guys that give me feedback. It actually means it shows that people are actually listening and paying attention out there. The hardest thing I'm finding at the moment is being stuck in my office or my room, making these videos and not getting feedback from you. So, like, thank you to Joe and some others who noticed in the math question last week. I got it wrong, and I put the the percentage of the drafts on the top or the bottom. I can't remember which way around I got it. The problem is that normally I'm used to having a big board where I can draw on it, whereas at the moment I'm sat on a little computer trying to draw it out and work things out and talk along at the same time. So please give me feedback, guys. Let me know how you're doing, and obviously pick me up on any mistakes that I'm making or going wrong, or if some of the videos aren't making any sense. Um, Let me know as well. Okay, or what your findings working or not working, or if you're thinking, you know what, you're saying this, but actually this would be better. That would be good, because at the moment it's like teaching in the dark. I'm getting no feedback at all. All right. So remember, this is question 3, guys. This is all about exam technique. It's not necessarily about the content, but obviously, if you suddenly realize you don't know the content, go up back, look at the PowerPoints, look in your textbook, make sure you know the answers. So let's get to it. Question 3. Oh, just to give you a little bit of the kind of forefront of what's going to happen with this, guys. My plan is this week to do exam technique, next week to do exam technique, then you'll finish going through the first paper of how to answer paper 1. We're then going to do paper 2. I might increase it to get through it a bit faster and do 2 questions in 1 week. And then if we get finished when still not back in school, basically what we're going to do is go back and carry on going through the core theory. I've made booklets for each one that you can either write up or print if you've got availability, and then we can work through each one of those so you've finished all the core elements, ready for doing your mock exam. So anyway, lots of waffling. Let me get on to this. So question 3, guys. All right, let's have a quick look at this. Let me just open up my Active Inspire. Let me just do a double check this is recording. It is. Wonderful. So how do we answer this? Many products are designed with planned obsolescence. So you must know what planned obsolescence is. You should know this from GCSE, guys. It should be drilled into you. So planned obsolescence is designing something so that it breaks. Okay, now, before we even go on with this, that's all to do with environment, sustainability, your 6Rs, all those kind of things. Now, you're in A level. Prepare for if you see planned obsolescence for them not to give you the easy answers. So the easy answer would be, why is planned obsolescence a bad thing? Oh, okay, well, bad thing because, you're creating waste, you're making things that will break within a certain amount of time. Therefore, if it's not reusable or repairable, it's breaking. That's an easy kind of GCSE answer. What they're going to ask you often is, why is it bad for a manufacturer? Or things like that. That's the kind of horrible question they will ask, and you have to go, oh, hang on, why is it bad for a manufacturer to design things to break? And it'll really test your thinking capability. Okay. In this paper, they haven't done that. I don't really know why. But in past A-level papers, not necessarily in the spec, they've asked those for the manufacturer. And you go, so, well, why is planned obsolescence bad for a manufacturer? And at that point, you're thinking, it's image. All right, so it's image because of that. Are they going to get charged more because they're making more recycling? Those kind of things. So although it's not linked to this paper, they're the kind of deeper thinking you've got to be thinking about for planned obsolescence. Anyway, let's get back to this exam technique. So many products are designed with planned obsolescence in mind. Give 2 reasons why products become obsolete. All right. So all you got to do is like, well, why? And just think of the real world. Why do things become obsolete? Why do I was looking at my watch this morning, although you don't have to get things. We've got an old Garmin watch. Why has this become obsolete? Well, mine's become obsolete because technology's old. Okay, the battery's only lasting in my triathlon watch for 2 days. The new ones are now lasting a week and a half to do the same thing. Okay, so technology's moved on, so it's become obsolete. It's not running with the same software. Okay, so if you're thinking of technology like that, okay, these are the kind of answers that you're looking for. And again, if you're struggling, Go back through Access FM. Aesthetics, the look. The look, the style. It's designed fashionable, so therefore the fashion's moved on. It's there. Cost. Do things come obsolete because they become cheaper? Not really. Customer needs, right? So it's customers' needs, wants. Why does the customer need want something new? Ergonomics. Does something fit smaller? Think of your earbuds. You know, the new earbuds with the Bluetooth that fit nice and small in your ear. My old Bluetooth headphones were massive, so it becomes obsolete because you can get a smaller. Things get smaller, more compact. Okay, sustainability. Do they become obsolete because of sustainability? Not really. Safety, function, materials. Why do they become obsolete? Because they break. Okay, these are all your answers, and that's quite an easy one because they're all put in Access FM. Put your answers in there. Okay, using one product as an example, explain how planned obsolescence has been considered in its design and how this benefits the consumer. So you've got to choose one product as an example, explain how planned obsolescence has been considered in its design and how this benefits the consumer. Okay, so why has planned obsolescence been built in, but actually it's good for the consumer? So if it's a manufacturer, we can make more money, okay, to sell things. How about the consumer? So you'd be thinking of why something that gets thrown away is being built in. So instantly just thinking, I'd be thinking, right, well, I instantly go to COVID. They're the biggest problems at the moment. Masks, surgical masks. Why is planned obsolescence? It be used once and be thrown away, or it's got a small lifetime. Surgical masks, because they get infected, they then get thrown away, you have to buy a new one. So it's been built in that only last for a day or one wear, so therefore it takes the germs, you can throw it away, you put a new one back on. So it's been designed to be used as a repurposeful thing. So basically you use it, you throw it away, you get another one. That'd be your answer. So you're just looking at why is planned obsolescence a good thing for the consumer and how is it being considered into design? And then you put your answers in there, guys. Okay? Quite an easy one. Next one. Let me get rid of these yellow things on the screen. Just going to go with that one. Clear annotations. So, discuss positive and negatives. The effect planned obsolescence has on the environment. Oh, that's quite nice. And what designers can do to limit this. Oh, brilliant. You should use examples to support your answer. So let's just see how many marks this is. So if we just go down, it's 8 marks. So we're looking at 4 paragraphs minimum on different paragraphs. So discuss the effect planned obsolescence has on the environment. What designers can do to limit this. So you're thinking of 4 different products to support your answers. What can designers do to support this? So I'd be thinking of, right, planned obsolescence, things get thrown away. Thinking of my life. So my daughter's 3, she's come out of nappies, so obviously a lot of nappies were designed to be thrown away. Okay, so they're one use, they get filled, they get thrown away. What can designers to do this? They can be designing things that are renewable. Okay, or reusable, or it could be designed out of materials. If it's thrown away, it's not damaging the environment, or if it's being made, it's using less materials of. I'm looking at my phone. Okay, phones obviously get older, they run certain hardware, the software gets upgraded, therefore it can't run anymore. What can designers do this? Can you design phones that you could add in new CPUs, new bits into it? What could a designer do to sort this? Gone from my phone, looking at a laptop, it's got the exact same sort of thing. Laptops become updated. Can the laptop, it's all made of different materials, be taken apart? And again, your answer's in the sustainability part of Access FM. So it's your 6 R's. Okay, reduce, reuse, recycle. So can things be reduced when they're made? Can they be reused at the end of their life? Can they be repaired? Can they be, how can they easily be recycled? All your answers in there. Nice, easy question. You need 4 different products. You need to say how the designer can save them and make them more environmentally friendly and the effect on it. Okay, that's all you need to do for that answer. All right, they're the kind of answers you need, guys. That's the exam technique. So as long as you knew a bit about planned obsolescence and you knew that planned obsolescence, the word, was about designing things to break, you could have worked the rest out using Access FM and just thinking about your own life in that one. That would be the exam technique on that one. Okay, feedback, guys. If you want, send your answers in. Is it easier? That's what I need to know. Is it easier for you to email me in with a photo, or do you want me to make your work hand in where you can put all this work in for your COVID stuff? It's completely up to you. All right. And is the feedback you're getting any good or not good enough? Let me know. Okay. See you for now.